My name is Maike van Damme. I just recently started to work for CED together with Serge Vidal on a theme on residential mobility and the family. And I am a sociologist actually, and I was interested in sociology because I wanted to understand society and why people behave in certain contexts the way they do. My main interest is in social inequality and the family. For instance, life course events like marriage, divorce, marital quality indicators such as breakup thoughts, conflict, intimate partner violence. I want to see to what extent I can explain these outcomes by socio-economic groups' differences. An example how policies can learn from my research is that, for instance, women's economic dependence within the marriage or within a cohabitational relationship is not seen as such a problem usually. However, when a couple breaks up, women might severely have economic consequences, and men, on the other hand, might have severe social or parenting consequences when they have children. This especially appears when women were focusing mainly on household tasks and men were focusing mainly on paid work and not so much on tasks within the household. To conclude, hidden inequalities within the marriage or within cohabitational relationships can be revealed after a couple break up. So social inequalities appear, although we might not see them when people are married.